Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I will be showing you how to fix a broken mic on a Zoom. So guys, this is a very simple fix. First things first is open up your Zoom workplace. And now once you are here guys on the Zoom, you can just simply go ahead and go for the gear icon on the bottom left side of the screen. And now over here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, audio. So when it comes to the audio guys, you will have two categories. You will have speaker, which is the output of the sound, and you will have the microphone. So now here on the microphone, guys, just make sure that your microphone is selected over here, because sometimes your microphone is on the webcam or your microphone is on the computer system. So make sure to select the correct microphone, and you can test it out over here as well. And you will have an option to automatically adjust microphone volume based on the volume that you are saying. And down below, we should have an option noise removal. So in default, this would be like this, but you could go for the original sound for musicians as well based on your preferences. And now, if it doesn't work out, guys, you could also turn this on, automatically sync headset buttons. So maybe your microphone or your headset microphone is low, so make sure to adjust it and make sure it is not on low volume. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I will do my best to answer them all. And thanks for watching.